Hey guys, Chadwick Pindley here from Ouidad, Master Artistic Educator and also co-owner of the Ouidad flagship in Fort Lauderdale. I'm super excited because tonight I'm in Manhattan and we are about to launch Stylutions. Stylutions are exactly what you need to know. If you're working with curly hair, one of the things that we're trying to create more than ever is expansion. How do we expand these curls? I'm going to show you. I have it right here in a can. That's the Volumizing Texture Spray. I've got my gorgeous model, Denise. Come on, Denise. We're actually sneaking in the hallway right now because we're super excited to bring you this. Denise, I'm going to give you this top. Now, the Volumizing Texture Spray, otherwise known as Going Up, is going to help us create that expanded look. Because think about it, when the girls come in the salon now, they don't want that perfectly defined, tamed curl. They want that huge lioness mane. That's expansion. Here's how we're going to create it. We're going to go in. We're going to take the Volumizing Texture Spray, we're going to spray it, and what's going to happen is it's going to start to expand that curl, it's going to open it, and it's going to give you that lived-in, expanded look. Denise, if you'll turn a little more, and you'll see it happening right in front of your eyes. You can see that expansion. I'm going to ask you to hold this. Then I'm going to go in, I'm just going to gently massage, and what's going to happen is that curl is going to open and come to life. Just like that. It's just that simple. So guys, remember, Ouidad, Stylutions. We have 3 new products. We have a dry shampoo. We have a dry mist, a dry oil mist, which is exceptional. It's not oily, it doesn't set on the cuticle, it helps penetrate into the cortex, and then finally, my favorite, the Volumizing Texturizing Spray. So, follow us. Follow me at Chadwick Pindley or Ouidad and check out Stylutions.
And you can follow me at Denise JG on every platform.
Have a good night, guys.